How to delete YouTube video. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can delete your YouTube videos. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step that you'll need to take is open up your YouTube. Head over to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into your account. After you do that, tap on your profile icon that is on the top right. Then you'll need to head over to YouTube Studios. So let this load and then open YouTube Studios. It's right here. And let the YouTube Studio open, where you'll find all of the videos that you've uploaded and are currently in your draft. What you'll need to do after you're here is on the left hand side under your channel, you'll find content. Tap on content. After you do that, you should see the videos that you've uploaded. So all you have to do is right here, you can tap on the three dots of the video. Then you can see delete forever option. Tap on delete forever and check this box that says I understand that deleting the video is permanent. Then tap on delete forever. You can also download the video before deleting them, so do that if you want. So tap on delete forever and then the video will then be deleted. And that's basically it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.